Having trouble getting into your PocketGuard account? Whether you've forgotten your password or just want to update your PIN for better security, we've got you covered. This is a super quick guide to resetting your password or changing your PIN right in the PocketGuard app. Let's dive in. If you can't log in because you've forgotten your password, here's the fix. First, open the PocketGuard app. On the login screen, look for the Forgot Password link, usually located right below the password entry field. Tap it. You'll be prompted to enter the email address associated with your PocketGuard account. Type it in carefully and hit Submit or Send link. Now, check your email inbox for a message from PocketGuard. This email will contain a secure link to reset your password. Tap that link. You'll be taken to a page where you can create and confirm a brand new password. Make sure it's strong and unique. Once you've set the new password, you can go back to the app and log in immediately. Simple as that. Now, if you can log in but want to update the 4-digit PIN you use for quick access, the process is slightly different. First, log into your PocketGuard app. Next, you need to navigate to the settings. Tap on the profile icon, usually found in the bottom right corner of the main screen. Within your profile or account settings, look for an option called Security, Passcode, or PIN Settings. Tap that. You should see an option like Change PIN. Tap it, and you'll be guided through entering your old PIN and then setting and confirming your new 4-digit code. This update happens instantly, and your new PIN is ready to use the next time you open the app. And that's it. In less than 2 minutes, you've learned how to take control of your PocketGuard security, whether you need a full password reset or just a quick PIN update. Staying on top of your security is key to smart money management. If you found this guide helpful, please give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe for more tips on maximizing your PocketGuard experience. Thanks for watching.